Hello everyone, in this video you will see how to wrap a car roof. We have already prepared the surface and degreased it. Now we will moisten it with soapy solution in order to remove the dust. Wet it again with a soapy solution. We will also moisten the film itself with soapy solution and start applying the film. Now, we will wet this end of the film with an alcohol solution and fix it on the pillar. Then, we will wet the other end of the film with an alcohol solution, and while avoiding wrinkles with a gentle tension, we will fix it on the pillar. After we fix the film along the edges, we'll remove the water from under the film. It's better to start from the middle, anchor the central part and move towards the side ends. Now, we'll wash all the edges with alcohol and wrap them. On the windshield, we will cut the film right along the edge of the glass, and by doing so, we'll have a margin to tuck it under the rubber seal. Now, we'll wash the edge with an alcohol solution and tuck it in. We will wipe the film dry and check the edges. The wrapping of the roof with a film strip is complete.